How to upscale an image on MidJourney. So if I want to upscale an image, let's say I want to upscale this image. For that, simply click on UFO to upscale this image. Then simply wait for it. After upscaling an image, the image would look something like this. If you click on it, it even saves the image and save it to the location. Now whenever you look into the properties of that image, it is not appropriate. So now what we need to do is upscale this image. In order to do so, first of all head over to any of the web browser. In the search bar, search for Photopea. Head over to the very first site. Tap on New Project. And then upload the image that you want to upscale. So this application will help you to export the image in a higher quality. In order to do so, firstly tap on File at the top left. Click on Export and then tap on JPG. And then over here, you simply need to enter 4000. Now you have to wait for a few seconds. Now you can see the image has been changed to 4000 into 4000. And the quality has also increased. Well, you can also increase the bar over here to get more quality. Once you are done, you can simply save it to your device. And then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this was a tutorial video on how to upscale the image on MidJourney. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.